Hey everyone, enjoy the show.
Hey folks, how you doing today? So some time ago, I picked up this beautiful oak post office, and it's been sitting in this corner, and like all of us, it just got stuff stacked in front of it, so I haven't had a chance to sell it. But I cleared it out this morning, and now I'm going to offer this oak post office. It's a really nice post office. The actual lineal feet, if you stretch this out straight, is 15 feet 3 inches. If you see here, I had attached this to this wall, but it goes all the way back to this wall here, okay? It is about 7 foot something high. It has a teller here, and it has a teller window here, letter here, and there's a letter drop down here, which some time ago I actually bought another door, which you'll be able to fit a spring-loaded door here that will go down in this hole. It's super nice, all made out of oak. You are going to configure it however you want. The only thing that I can see that you will need to do to this, and I want to do a little disclosure for you, is this post here actually comes up to this height, which makes it to the top of this. These are carved little panels here which go on to this, and as you can see, that's where it goes. There's 1, 2, 3 of those small custom cabinet shop and probably get something to match. Other than that, this is complete. For those of you who don't know, these post office boxes here are not keyed, they're combination. You can read the combination from the back. So you can make all of these open because you will go to the back of it and read the combination and be able to open it in the front. All brass doors. Once again, it's 15, 3 foot long, all made out of oak. I'm going to even give you my bank teller here. Super nice. Here it says money orders, mail drop, and this would be another workstation in the post office. All solid oak. If you buy this, we'll kind of compact it all together. We'll put it on a pallet, stick crate it up, band it all up real nicely next door, and we should be able to get this out to you on 1 pallet. Should not be a problem. So, you know, we'll put in a price if for shipping, and if it's any different, we'll let you know. Super nice post office. If you're looking for one, these are getting harder and harder to find. I've gotten rid of 2 or 3 small ones recently, but I've ran into no large ones. I actually looked out there, couldn't find another large post office for sale today. Anyway, super nice oak post office. If you're building a western town or a man cave, this would look really good in there. So if you'd like it, let us know and we'll get it shipped out to you, no problem. And as always, thanks for watching our videos.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.